Hi, this is Christina with WTI. Are you like me and do you have paperwork all over your house and have no clue where to start when it comes to organizing? Well, then you might just need the Sooez Clipboard with storage. I love this clipboard and it's made a huge difference in my life when it comes to getting organized. If you open up this clipboard, you'll see that there's plenty of room for documents, bills, receipts, whatever it is you need to organize, but it also fits a small tablet as well. And then once you close it here with this clip, you'll see that you can fit like a pen, a pencil, or a stylus in the front. And you can also store quite a bit of paper with this clipboard. So it has multiple uses. This is for organizing, but this is also for storing some paper in the front. But you can also use it to letter write on because it's a nice hard surface, smooth. And it's also really stylish too. I love the pink, but it comes in many different options as well. But what I love the most about it is that you can really store anything in here. It has plenty of room when you open it up, much more than it looks like it would fit. And I love that quality about it. So if you just need a good place to start when it comes to getting organized, I would really suggest this clipboard. It's made a huge difference for me, and I think it'll make a huge difference for you as well. But that's just my point of view.